Hello students, welcome to English language class. Definition of material nouns and sources of material nouns, how they are categorized, already we have learned in previous video. In this video, we have to know some rules that to be followed while we use material nouns in sentences. So, let's start. Rules to be followed while using material nouns in the sentence. When we will use? There are mainly 4 rules are there. Rule number 1, articles a, an or the are not used with material nouns when they are uncountable. Already we know material nouns, that means they are uncountable. We cannot count gold, we cannot count iron, we cannot count silver, we cannot count milk, oil, honey, cement. So these all we cannot count. These are material nouns. So that's why articles a and the, we know these articles are used where they are count, means before countable noun. So articles a, an or the, they are not used with material nouns when they are uncountable. So that means they are also countable, where we have to know in the next rule. So in this rule, example, first look at here. Honey is wholesome food and beneficial to health. In the given sentence, which one is material noun? Honey. That we will get from animals. So, honey, this is uncountable. We cannot count honey. So that's why before the honey, before this material noun, we cannot use a honey, we cannot use an honey, or we cannot use the honey. Okay? Water boils only at 100 degree centigrade temperature. Water, can you count a glass of water? A glass of water, when it is measured by a glass. A mug of water, when it is measured by a mug. But when we are talking about only water we cannot count. A water, or 2 water, or 3 waters. It's not possible. So before water we cannot use articles. Have hair. All of you, we have hair. So can you count your hair? So if you can count, so let's count. I am just kidding with you. No, it's not possible to count hair. They are uncountable. So have hair, look straight in the back and wavy in the front. So hair is the material noun here in the given sentence, and we cannot use these articles because this is uncountable. Clear? Then rule number 2. Articles a and an may be used where with material nouns when they are countable. So already I said uncountable when they are uncountable. So that means somewhere it can be countable. Where? Countable means it cannot count. But I think it will be clear when you when I explain these examples of this rule. I purchase a gold ring. It is not said about a gold. I purchased a gold ring. So a means a ring, not gold. But before here we use a, because a, only one ring that is made by gold, that I purchased. Clear? I would like to eat a Dutch cheese. So Dutch is the company's name of cheese. Cheese is the material noun, but cheese we cannot count. But Dutch cheese is described as a Dutch. So Dutch is a one company's name of cheese. So that's why here it is used a. Clear? Next rule, that is rule number 3. Use of the and some can also be done in the following way. So, use the and some. These used also we can be used. So, a and an we sometimes used material nouns somewhere where already you learned, and the and some also can be used where the honey in the bottle is mine, don't give it others. So the honey means not particular a honey. In the bottle, in a bottle which honey is there, this the particular honey is mine. Clear? So here that means in bottle, what is in bottle, how much honey is there in the bottle, this is mine. So that's why it is saying the honey in the bottle is mine, don't give it others. I saw there is some milk in the glass, or I want some more rice. So that means want more something, or here some milk in the glass means in glass that is not full of glass, some is there. Okay, so that's why it is used. Sometimes it can be used before material noun the and some. Then rule number 4, materials noun, material, sorry, not materials, it will be material. Material nouns in general cannot be pluralized. We cannot change, this is material noun, we cannot change honeys, we cannot change golds, we cannot change water, we cannot change hairs, we cannot change airs, we cannot change milks. So pluralized means singular to plural. These noun we cannot change singular to plural. Because of, for what? Because they are uncountable. So already we learned that in first video, material nouns, these are uncountable. So air is lighter than water. It is not airs. So always after this material noun we use what? Is. Be verb is we have to use. Rice is a staple food. Always it is used as a singular. We write with ink. Clear? Not inks, because they are uncountable. Material nouns are uncountable. We cannot count it. So that's why we cannot change into plural form. So it cannot be pluralized. Okay? Clear? Okay. Bye bye.